came to see you, my teeth were always an issue. From the time I was little, I have had every procedure or surgery or periodontal work that you can imagine. And always it was just it felt more like a Band-Aid than a fix. Well, for one thing, before I came to see you, I could not chew on either one of my back sides because those teeth had been removed. And so now I have a full mouth or full set of teeth, if you will, however you want to phrase that. So that my life is certainly easier in that regard. And I'm not self-conscious. I'm not hiding my mouth or doing anything like that. I'm just proud, and I can smile, and I can eat, and I can do everything I couldn't do before. When I first came into your office, I came for a consultation, and I knew I was going to have a couple of implants and whatnot, but after the first visit and discussion, we knew that, or I knew that I was just going to do it all. And so that's what I had done. I had every tooth taken out, and I had the implants put in. And that's what I have now. The process was easier than anyone would have ever imagined. My son dropped me off. I went into the room. As far as I can remember, there was no pain involved at all. I came out of the whole thing. I said, you know, I think I need a cup of coffee, and that was about it. I took a little rest, and then I was fine. The next day, I had my son take pictures of me because we couldn't believe there was no swelling. Or if there was, it was so tiny, it was minute. I've had periodontal work that was 10 times harder. The treatment, I would say, impacted my life in a way that, and not that anything I was looking for, but I feel like I have a little bit more youth in my little mouth area. I'm not as sunken as I was because I have teeth there, and you know, I just have a beautiful smile now. I can recommend this treatment. As I said before, it was really easy. I can recommend Dr. Moldovan and Dr. Maghami because they are incredible. They are so cutting edge, they're so special. I cannot say enough about these two women. I love everything they do. I love this office. I never dread coming to the dentist, so that's really a nice treat. I'm Jackie Berry. I am a very happy client.